These last tactics and cleanup questions for lawyers taking expert depositions are based on my 40 years experience as a financial expert witness. The complete rationale for these strategies and tactics is set forth in my treatise, Mastering the Art of Expert Witness Testimony. It's important for lawyers to understand the perspective of witnesses in order to successfully depose, examine, and cross-examine them. My book is an excellent summary of those issues, and its cost is only a fraction of your hourly billing rate. Your clients deserve high-level skills in this area. Pay attention. I consider the following points to be minor tactics for lawyers in expert depositions. Number 5, treat objections as though they are just a formality of the deposition. After the objection, immediately refocus attention on the witness and seek the answer to the question that was just asked. Number 6, try to avoid arguments with opposing counsel. Arguments tend to increase the tension in the room and make the witness less inclined to offer valuable information. They also tend to educate the witness about strategies and tactics that might affect the testimony. Number 7, as you conclude your inquiry into each substantive area or step of the expert's analysis, ask the expert if there is anything about this step that you haven't told me. Any reasoning, any assumptions, any facts, any considerations related to this step? An experienced expert will respond, "Not that I can presently think of." At this point, the lawyer should seek a commitment that if the expert does think of anything about step X between now and the signing of the deposition, the expert will write in the fact that he or she has thought of. Consider admonishing the witness with a statement like this: "This is the day of your deposition. You're aware, aren't you, that you have an obligation to provide me with all of the support for your opinions." Number 8, inquire if the expert has any other work planned in this matter. Specifically, are there any steps that he or she intends to complete? And importantly, has the lawyer asked him not to perform any steps? Number 9, when you are defending the deposition of your client's expert witness and the deposing attorney has brought the opposing witness as a consultant, ask that consulting expert witness to preserve a copy of his or her notes for production at the time of that witness's deposition. They are file notes. They were taken in the course of the expert's work. There seems to be no good reason why they should not be preserved and produced. Here are some cleanup questions that might be helpful. Have all your professional opinions or conclusions reached in this case been explored in this deposition? Is there anything you would like to add so as not to be misunderstood? How certain or sure are you about your opinions? If you had an unlimited budget in this case, what additional steps would you perform? How many other cases have you performed for the lawyer who retained you in this matter? How many other cases have you handled for this lawyer's law firm? Have you socialized with this lawyer? Have you removed anything from your file? Were you asked to remove anything from your file? Have any written materials been destroyed or discarded? Have you retained previous drafts of your analysis? Have you provided any written materials to your client's lawyer that are not photocopied in your file? Do you have a computer disk that has a copy of any documents that are not presently in your work file? Have you discussed any weaknesses in your analysis with your client's lawyer? I hope these strategies and tactics help you take more effective expert depositions. My video series discusses all aspects of both the lawyer's role and the expert's role in expert witness testimony. Check out other training videos in the Art of Expert Witness Testimony series.
Brian Peter Brinig is an adjunct professor at the University of San Diego School of Law and managing director of the forensic consulting group of CBIZ, a national financial services firm. The strategies and tactics presented in this video presentation are discussed in complete detail in his treatise, Mastering the Art of Expert Witness Testimony, which is available by scanning the QR code on the screen or on Amazon.